Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to embed Mailchimp Signup forms in WordPress without plugins. And we are going to see how to embed a signup form, a Mailchimp Signup form, to a blog post or a page, as well as to how to embed a Mailchimp Signup form as a widget. So let's get started. And you log in to your Mailchimp account. On the left sidebar, you go to audience, and on the drop down, you go to sign up forms. Let's click there. And then you go to embedded forms. You can click here or on the select button. So I am going to click embedded forms, and let's get started. So form fields, click there. And actually, I would like to have the email, first name. I'd like to have an email, first name, last name, and phone number displayed. And I would like to have all these as required. So let us assume in your particular case that you are not interested in having the phone number. So how can you delete this? Well, you have to click on audience fields settings, click there, wait a few moments, and this page opens. So we are still in audience fields, and merge tags. Scroll down a bit, and let's say that in your particular case, you are not interested in showing, in making the phone number a requirement, and perhaps you wouldn't mind leave it visible, or perhaps you're not interested in having it and showing up at all. So you go like this, and then you click on Save Changes. In my particular case, I would like, all right, so the email address, this is on by default. And then perhaps in your case, you decide whether you'd like to have first name, last name, or you just want the email address. And let's delete those two. So in this case, we just have the email address, and the first name will be showing in the sign up form. But in my particular case, I would like to display I would like to have the last name. I would like to have the phone number as well. I'm not interested in having company. Let me move the zoom bar from here. I'm not interested in company, nor in the address of my customers. Okay, so save changes, wait a few moments, and then we go back to audience, click there, and then on the drop down, you click sign up forms. Just wait a few moments, and then we click again on embedded forms. So we have, let's go back onto form fields. We are quite happy about this: email address, first name, and last name, and phone number. Let's go back. You just click on the back arrow there, and let's go to settings. Settings, subscribe. You can type anything here. I'm quite happy with subscribe. It will show at the bottom of the form. And width, well, if you'd like to have this displayed on a blog post or page, perhaps you'd like to have 600 pixels. It is much wider. But I would like to have this not just on a blog post. I would like to have this also as a widget. So I am going to reduce the width to 320. And what I mean by this is, let's have a look at the front end. Let's have a look at this particular blog post. This is content, and this is widgets on the sidebar. So if we scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see that I have already added a sign up form to the content, to the actual blog post, as well as a widget. All right. So, okay, I am quite happy with this. I just want to see something over there. We don't need this page anymore. I can close that. So subscribe is fine, and width is going to be 320. We don't have to do anything over there. So let's go back. And tags, I'm not going to change anything. For referral badge, I am on the free version of Mailchimp. So the referral badge is going to show. If you don't want the referral badge to show, you can upgrade, you can start paying. I'm quite happy in displaying the MailChimp. I'm really very happy using Mailchimp. All right, so you on the free version, you have two options. One is the light, the other one is dark. The dark looks like this. It's too dark for me, so I am going to go to light, and I am going to click. Let's just go back on the referral. We have done everything: form fields, the settings, the referral badge. Now we can go ahead and click continue, and all you have to do is copy this HTML. So you click on the copy code button. You have done that. Okay, so let's edit. Let's go to the post editing. So remember how to access this. You go to post, you go to all posts, and you find you find a particular blog post you are interested in, or you go to pages. It is where you'd like to have this form display. I am going to scroll all the way down. It is again up to you. Where would you like to add the form? Let's assume that I would like to add the form at the very bottom of this particular blog post. So you go to the plus sign where this is the add block icon, click on it, okay, and then choose HTML, custom HTML. This block opens where it says write HTML. You just paste the code you copied earlier on. As simple as that. And if you'd like to preview this, I am going to click on preview and preview in new tab. Wait a few moments. All right, so this is our blog post. Let's scroll all the way down, and here is our brand new form. All right, everything is there. Now, how about adding as a widget? Okay, in fact, I already had it as a widget over there. I am going to show you how to do this. So you go to Appearance and Widgets. This page opens up, the widgets page opens up, and you scroll down to where you'd like to add. In my particular case, I am going to go to the very bottom, and there on the plus sign, click the plus sign, and you do exactly the same as before. You choose, you select HTML, the custom HTML, and you paste your code, and then you click on update. I'm not going to do that because I have already added as a widget. All right, now let's make sure that this form is working properly. Okay, just give me 1 minute, if you please. So let's see if the form is working. Here is the blog post. I am going to scroll down to where the form is, where the forms are. I have this over here, and I have another one on the sidebar. Actually, I prefer to have a subscribe form on the sidebar. I don't like this in the actual content, so I'll be deleting this a bit later on. But let's see if this works. So email address, I am going to enter an email address, my first name, last name, and the phone number. Let's do that and subscribe. Okay, I have clicked the subscribe button. It says here, confirm humanity. I am not a robot. Okay, and subscribe. And then in my particular case, it reads subscription confirmed. Your subscription to our list has been confirmed. All right, let's see if this is the case. I go back to Mailchimp. I have 688 subscribers in this particular list. And what I do now is I refresh this page, should go up to 689. Let's see if this is the case. Wait a few moments. Okay, and indeed 689, and there is my brand, my lost subscriber, which happens to be me in this particular case. And obviously I am going to delete this. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Cheers.